When a user clicks on a product, you also want to show related products associated with that product. For instance, assuming we are on this product, related products may be sneakers associated with this sneaker, or another category associated with this product. Uh, like for example, something like this, and that's what I want to show you, how to show related products on an image. So to do this is quite simple. On your code, I kind of just wrote this part of the code so that I can explain to you in simple terms. So I've created a variable name called products, and I'm saying from these products, what I'm saying is from the model product, I want to get all the objects on that model, and then I want to filter. Here I'm using a built-in Django package called category in. Just write it the way I've written it over here. Category in then is equals to product.category.all. So then we exclude this product ID, and then we make sure that all these objects are distinct. So let me explain it. We create a variable product, then on the model product, this model that holds all these fields associated with this product, we filter, and then we use a built-in function, function in Django called category in. We filter, we say product.category. It's this product. You see, product is equals to product.object of get this product ID. So it's product.category, the category of this product, this category. So it's product.category dot all. We get all those categories associated with this product, like the way we did here. Categories is equals to category.object.all. Also the way we did here. Category is equals to category.object.get. On that category, we got the category ID. So here we are getting the category. So it's category in. We are getting the category of this product. We're getting all the category, and then we excluding this product ID. We don't want also to show this product ID on that related product. We want other products that are associated with that product, and then we are saying that let all these products be distinct. We're saying that distinct. It's really quite simple. The only thing that was a little bit challenging for me here was this category in, but what I learned from this is category in is a built-in it's a built-in Django function that helps you filter like one part one part of that variable. So in this case, what I'm filtering is I'm filtering category that's associated with this product. It's that quite simple. Then the next thing you do is you pass this variable name here in the context. Let me uncomment this. So it's just products is equals to products. Then because we are showing the product detail, we go to the product detail page. Then scroll down to the area that's called the area with the related products, where you want to show the related product. And then the first thing you want to say is if products, then on that div column, that has div class column 12 columns, then the h2 class related products. And if you rate an if statement, here we are saying if they are related products associated with this product that we are accessing, we want to show related products. If they are not, then we are not going to show this. Then the next div that has these columns, I'm sure there are many columns over here. Like just delete all those columns and then remain with one column. We want to loop through them and say for this product, you see for P in products, for this product, we are filtering. We only want to show that we loop through that one column and show all related products in it. So like the way we did previously, so just say for pin products, then you close that loop, and then inside that loop, just replace like the image the way we did previously, p.image.url where your image is located. In this case, p.image.url because we are uploading to a user path. You also want to get the p to title, the title of that product. Then you're also getting the price, the current price of that product. You're also getting the old price of that product, and that's it. It's not that big of a deal. Here, the only thing you need to know, if there are related products in that one product that you have clicked, then we will show related products. I'm going to show you this once I load the site. And then here we writing a for loop to get all the products associated with this one product. So for P in products, remember it's products. This products variable, it's this one. Products is equals to product.object.filter. We filtering using the Django inbuilt package called category in. Then we saying is equals to product, this product. And in this product, we are getting all the objects. And then the only object you want to get is that object ID. Then it's this product dot category. We want all the categories associated with this product. We get all the categories, and then we exclude this product ID because you don't want to show this product on related products. And then you can pass this to distinct, but it's not a must. But this dot distinct tells Django that make sure that those objects you are getting, they are unique, they are distinct. So it's just like that. And then we pass a context, product is equals to product. So let's load and see whether it's working. Here we have our categories. So if I go to, let's say I'm at home, and then I click this product. These are boots, so we should get other boots related to this boot, and also any other category related to this type of shoe. So when we go to related products, you can see another related product is hairstyle slippers. This is because of category. Let me just go to uh, let me just go to slash categories. I'll show you what I mean. On the previous video, we shown all the categories. So if you look at the category women, this category has two products. We have the rhinestone platform boots and the Harry Styles slippers. So when we click on this type of shoe, we also get other related products in this category. And the next related product is Harry Styles slippers. The same thing, if we click on, let me just duplicate this and go to home. If I click on this product, I should see this as the related product. This is the shoe. Then another related shoe to this is, you see, rhinestone platform boots. That's working. Now, what if this product doesn't have a related product? Then that means we should not see this section like this. Let me show you. If I click on sneaker gold, which doesn't have a related product at the moment because we only have three products in our database. If we scroll down, you can see related products are not being shown. Why? Because of this if statement. Here we said, on related product, we said if products, then we show related products. If products, then we cross the end. If products, we show the related products. If the products are not there, if related products are not there, then this one should not show. That's why we passed it like this. If products, like I said, it's this variable showing these related products. It's a simple start. It's usually not that big of a deal to implement. If there's anything else you didn't understand from this, please let me know. But it's that simple. And I think that's it for now. So next, before we go to other things, what I want to show you is, if you noticed, let me go to home. If you noticed here on home, we have various categories like popular products, and also on an e-commerce website, you want to have such categories, like popular products. Then I have like deal of the day. Then I have new products. We also have like this shop by category. We have top selling products. We have recently added products. Then the question is, how do you differentiate this? If like you want a product and you wanted to appear on popular products on this homepage, you want that product to just appear on popular products and not appear on deal of the day. If you have a deal of the day which you want to showcase to your customers, you want that product to only appear on deals of the day. I think this is what we're going to do next before we go to like adding this product to cart.